Welcome to another lesson, pre-bronze syllabus Ramba. Next step is a cucaracha. Let's demonstrate first. And 2 and 30 and 4 1, 2 and 30 and 4 1 and. Exactly the same reverse angle. And 2 and 30 and 4 1, 2 and 30 and 4 1 and. So first explanation, what is this step about? So this step is about being in the middle, always coming back to the middle and rocking from side to side. So this is in essence like a rocking action from right to left, and we collect to the middle, changing weight here. We're rocking to one side, collect weight here. Rocking to another side, collect here. So rocking action is very popular in Latin dances, because when you rock, it's very easy to change direction. So you have that rock in action, and then we change weight. Now, what is the timing? Timing is a count 2, we're going to the side, 3, we're replaced to the other side, count 4, 1, we change body weight in place. Count 2, we're going side, count 3, we're going other side, count 4, 1, we change weight. Now, what are the helpful tips to make this movement work? Number one tip is keep in mind that this is a rocking action. Do not go side and complete your step completely. Be in the rocking mode and don't let your spine go way too far. So we want to keep our spine as centered as we can, and almost the sense like that hip only travels. So keep rocking, keep your spine centered as much as you can. That's the tip number one. Tip number 2 is in your foot action. So the correct foot positioning, foot action to it, footwork. You keep your 2 feet flat on 2, and you will leave that heel on count 3 as you replace before you closing. 4 1. So on count 2 is very recommended to keep this standing leg, your right leg at this point, flat. So 2 heels flat at this moment, and when you change, you have that beautiful pointed collected feel. That's the tip number 2. What is the tip number 3? Tip number 3 is when you collect the legs, is the sense of stomach and brushingness in your legs. Because it's 4-1, you're going to have a little bit more time. You can engage more time and have action a little bit more sensitivity and more Ramba feel to it. So let's take a look at this step again. 2 and 30 and 4 1 and 2 and 30 and 4 1 and. So now when you dance together with your partner, again, number one priority, keep the frame as still as you can, dance inside that frame. And number 2 priority is actually sense your partner's action through the frame. So be focusing not only on yourself, but actually on your partner action, and let, for the guys, you guide with your actions, with your hips, guide the girl's hips. So instead of using your frame, you use your body and you try to synchronize your action together with your partner. See you at the next lesson.